My dear students, I hope you are fine with all of your family members as well as your neighbors by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Today, I have come here with a new online class for the students of class 8, and today I'm going to take a second paper class. Already you have completed class test 1, now you have to take preparation for evaluation test. So, don't waste your time, study hard. Let us start. So, welcome to my new online class with the gift of flowers. I am Wasia Habib Shaoun sir, the assistant teacher of Naranganj High School and College. Before starting the class, at first I want to show you some symbol or some sign, and you have to just guess what is the name of this sign and where we can use this type of signs. Can you guess it? If I ask you a question, what is this? So what will the answer? Yes, you are absolutely right. Actually, today I will talk about punctuation, one of the most important grammar in English, because we use punctuation in our daily activities. We use punctuation in passage, in composition, in letter, paragraph, etc. So it is one of the most important part of English. So today our topic is punctuation, English second paper, and this is a class of for the student of 8. Okay. Now the learning outcome, that means what will we learn by this class? Actually, we will get a clear idea of punctuation, and number 2, we will be able to use punctuation in the sentence. Okay. Now actually, if I ask you what is punctuation, so what will be the answer? Actually, we use this symbol or we use the punctuation to make the sentence clear or to express the clear meaning of the sentence. Without punctuation, it is totally impossible to express our feelings or to express the sentence fulfilling. Okay, and we use 12 punctuations in English. The Bengali meaning of punctuation is Jyoti Chinho. Okay, and we use 12 punctuation in English. Now we have to know the 12 punctuations. Just look at the screen. Number 1 is full stop. That means we use full stop to end the sentence, and number 2 is comma, one of the most important punctuation. Then semicolon, and number 4 is colon. Okay, sorry for my computer virus. Then exclamation mark. Number 6 will be the hyphen. Number 7 will be inverted comma, and inverted comma is very well known to us because as a student of class 8 we are using inverted comma in narration. Then bracket is used in right form verbs. Okay, then asterisk and note of interrogation. Then number 11 apostrophe comma, and at last number 12 will be dash. Okay, so number 8 bracket and number 12 dash is almost same. Now, so number 1 will be full stop. Look at the picture. Actually, what is full stop, or how will we use, or how do we use full stop? Full stop is called the ending sign of a sentence. We use full stop to end the sentence. For example, I go to school. Behave like a man. We can also use full stop to minimize any title. For example, MA, MBBS, BBA. That means we use full stop to end the sentence. Okay, our sentence may be a lot or large. Okay, it may contain subject, verb, object. Okay, there are a lot of sentences. There may be a lot of sentences, but we have to use full stop after the full sentence. Okay. Now number 2, actually comma is one of the most important punctuation, and when we use comma, just look at the screen, we use comma in a sentence to make an interval. Do you know what is the meaning of interval? The Bengali meaning of interval is biroti. Okay, for example, please let me go there. Actually, in this sentence we need a short interval. So I have used please and I have used comma after please. So the line will be please let me go there. Again we use comma before the date and after the condition. Okay, for example 3rd January to 2020. That means we have to use comma after the date. Here 3rd January is the date. And the second example is if it rains I will not go there. That means if there is a condition, here is written if it rains, that means there is a condition. Okay, so after condition we have to use comma. Is it clear? Okay, thank you very much. Now number 3, semicolon. Now a semicolon can be used between two closely related independent clause. Okay, and if I tell it very easily, then you have to, or I have to say that when the interval should be larger than comma, then we have to use semicolon. Okay, look at the example. Here is to err is human, to forgive is divine. That means to err is human is a line or is a sentence. Here is subject, here is verb, here is object. So there is another sentence and here is written to forgive is divine. That means two sentences are here. Okay, but I need an interval, but this interval should be larger than comma. So by this sentence or like this sentence we have to use semicolon. Then number 4, colon. Okay, actually when we'll find that we need an interval larger than semicolon, that means it is very important. Semicolon will be larger than comma. Okay, and colon will be larger than semicolon. Then we have to use colon. For example, the duties are as follows: maintaining, canvassing and disturbing. Actually there are 3 examples: maintaining, canvassing and disturbing. So I have to use the duties are as follows. Okay, I think it is clear now. Now number 5, note of exclamation. We are very well known to note of exclamation because when we will express our feelings of joy and sorrow, then we use note of exclamation. Okay, that means we use this symbol to express our feelings with joy and sorrow. For example, hooray, we have won the game. That means we have won the game. It's a very happy news for us. So I have to use here, not I have used here foolish to, but it will be actually say, note of exclamation. Okay, and alas, my pet cat is dead. Okay, look at these 2 examples. I have used note of exclamation just after hooray and just after alas. Now number 6 will be hyphen. Okay, so we use hyphen to change the incomplete sentence or word into complete. Is it clear? We use hyphen to change the incomplete sentence or word into complete. For example, you are writing some sentences, but now you have reached the ending part of your khata or ending part of the margin. So what will you do? Okay, look at the example, it will be clear to you. Here is the teacher wanted to take. Actually I want to use tackle, but there is no space to write tackle, so I have used a hyphen. That means here is tack hyphen and cull, that means tackle the situation. So when you will not find any space to write an complete word or complete sentence, then you have to use hyphen. Now number 7, here is inverted comma. You know it is very important, and sometimes I discussed it. Actually when we quote others statement, then we use inverted comma to make the concept clear. Okay, that means we have to use inverted comma of others statement. Okay, so look at the example. He said to me, I am ill. Actually he said to me, he informed me that he was ill. Okay, so I am ill, it is the quote of other person. So when someone will say something, then I have to, or you have to quote his conversation in the middle of inverted comma. Okay, now number 8, bracket. Bracket is one of the most important part of punctuation. To describe something special, we use bracket. For example, I had to lose all in the compartment 2000 rupees. Okay, that means here is written the bracket. Here is written I had to lose all the compartment 2000 rupees. The main item is 2000 rupees. That means the subject has lost 2000 rupees. So he has used bracket. We have to use bracket to describe something special. Now asterisk. Okay, there's also an important punctuation for you. To draw the attention of others, we use asterisk. Okay, to draw the attention of others, we use asterisk. For example, dear students, attention please. That means I have used asterisk at the top or at the first of the sentence. Okay, that means if you want to draw others attention, then you have to use asterisk. Then number 10, note of interrogation, and one of the common item of punctuation. That means we use the sign of interrogation to make a complete question. It is very easy. For example, how are you? That means when we will use, or when we will make any question, then we have to use this sign. Okay, then number 10 is apostrophe comma. Okay, actually we use apostrophe comma for someone's possessiveness. Okay, for example, it is Puja's book. That means Puja is the owner of this book. Okay, so what do you mean by possessiveness? Actually, the Bengali meaning of possessive is Shattadhikari. Okay, for example, this is Shumon's pen, or this is Rohim's house. That means Rohim is the owner of this house, or Shumon is the owner of this pen. Okay, so when we will find that someone expresses possessiveness, then we have to use apostrophe comma. And at last, dash. Okay, dash is the last item of punctuation. We use dash to complete the meaning of a sentence. We use dash to complete the meaning of a sentence. For example, he has lost all, then I have used health and wealth, but in the middle I have used dash. Okay, he has lost all health and wealth. At the time of writing we have to use dash, but at the time of speaking we will not say dash. We have to say he has lost all health, wealth. That means it's a long sentence, but I have used dash in the middle to complete the sentence. Okay, so I have just tried to use the simple rules of punctuation, and actually today our class is over, and thank you very much, and stay safe, and soon I am coming with a new online class for you, and in my next class I will try to give the video of speaking. Okay, so don't go outside, stay safe, thank you very much.